Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, the automotive junkie, and today's a very exciting day. I'm actually just about to head out to meet up with some automotive friends, and we are going to a special location. It's kind of a private museum with a very unique collection of cars, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Alright guys, just got out here. We're all meeting up here. Obviously the weather's not the greatest, so a lot of us just have our daily drivers out here. A couple of the guys still brought their cars though, so we're having a lot of fun, and I can't wait to show you what we see.
This is Tom Capps. He works for Alan Myers. He actually works in the garage now for the longest time, I guess.
And Russ is my cousin too.
Oh, nice.
Which helps a little bit. Get you guys in here.
Nice.
A museum that is started by the Ross and Beth Myers, and they've been collecting cars for many, many years. Ross's dad was very active in the AACA, and he grew up around antique or classic cars, and he got the bug far more than many of us.
Yes, way more than his dad.
So he's been collecting all his life. The museum is based off of primarily Ford-powered vehicles. There are Ford Racing. All of these cars, there's no replicas. There's no wannabes. These are the real cars with history. All the race cars are historic based these days. You know, we do run all the cars.
Well, there you go, guys. This was an awesome tour of this amazing collection, this awesome museum, just amazing cars. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed walking around along with all of the car club guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss another awesome car video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.